Good morning, students. In the last period, we have seen the problems in the exercise 4.3. Now today we are going to discuss the remaining problem in the exercise 4.3. Now to solve the first problem, find the joint equation of the pair of lines which bisect angle between the lines given by the equation. First problem, 5x square plus 6xy minus y square equal to 0, and second equation, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square equal to 0. Now to solve the first problem, we know that the joint equation of the pair of lines bisect the angle between the lines represented by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is hx square minus a minus b into xy minus hy square equal to 0. Now, given equation is, first problem, 5x square plus 6xy minus y square equal to 0. We have to find the joint equation of the pair of lines bisecting the angle between the lines represented by the equation 5x square plus 6xy minus y square equal to 0. Comparing the given equation with the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, here a equal to 5, twice h equal to 6, therefore h equal to 3 and b equal to minus 1. Putting these values in equation 2, we get the value of h is 3, therefore 3x square minus the value of a is 5 minus the value of b is minus 1 into xy minus h 3y square equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 5 minus plus 1 into xy minus 3y square equal to 0. Therefore, 3x square minus 6xy minus 3y square equal to 0, which is the required combined equation of the pair of lines bisecting the angle between the lines represented by the equation 5x square plus 6xy minus y square equal to 0. Similarly, we can solve the second problem, x square plus 3xy plus 2y square equal to 0. Here the value of a is 1, h is 3 half, and B is 2. And by using the joint equation of the lines, bisecting the lines represented by the equation ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is hs square minus a minus b into xy minus hy square equal to 0. Now to solve the second problem, equations of pair of opposite sides of a parallelogram are x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 and y square minus 14y plus 40 equal to 0. Find the joint equation of its diagonals. Now to first find the separate equations of the lines represented by the equation x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 and y square minus 14y plus 40 equal to 0. First, we find the separate equations of the given lines. X square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 and y square minus 14y plus 40 equal to 0 are. That is x square minus 6x minus x plus 6 equal to 0. Factorize minus 7x into two terms, minus 6x minus x, whose product is plus 6x square. Then, taking common x in first and second term, we get x in bracket x minus 6 minus 1. Taking common in the third and fourth term, we get minus 1 into bracket x minus 6 equal to 0. Then taking x minus 6 factor common, we get x minus 6 in the first bracket and second bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x minus 6 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 6 or x equal to 1. The two separate lines represented by the given first equation x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Now y square minus 14y plus 40 equal to 0, that is y minus 10 and y minus 4 equal to 0. Which sum is minus 40 and product is plus 40. Then factorize the term number minus 14 as minus 10 and minus 4. Then y minus 10 equal to 0 or y minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 10 and y equal to 4. Here y equal to 6. And here y equal to 10 and y equal to 4 are the separate lines represented by the given equations. Now draw the diagram. Represents the four lines y equal to 6. First line x equal to 1 second line, y equal to 4 third line, and y equal to 10 fourth line. This is y axis, x axis, origin O. First line x equal to 1 parallel to the y axis, and second line x equal to 6 also parallel to the y axis, and y equal to 4 third line parallel to the x axis, and y equal to 10 is also parallel to the x axis. We form A, B, C, D as a parallelogram. It's a diagonal AC and BD. We have to find the joint equation of the diagonals AC and BD. Then first we have to find the equations of the diagonals AC and BD. The coordinates of the vertex A are 1 and 10. Similarly, we find the diagonals of the second vertex B as x coordinate 6 and its y coordinate is 10. The third vertex C, its coordinates are and y coordinate is 4. And last, fourth coordinates represents 1 and 4. 1 is its x coordinate because the point D lies on the line x equal to 1 and y equal to 4. Hence, A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D. By using the coordinates of the point C are 6, 4 and the coordinates of the point D are 1, 4. First we have to find the equations of the diagonals AC and BD and then find its joint equation. Now, by using the 2-point form, the equation of the diagonal AC is the 2-point form is x minus x1 divided by x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 divided by y1 minus y. This is known as the 2-point form. Here x1 y1 and x2 y1. Putting these value in this formula we get x minus 1 divided by 1 minus 6 x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 10 in the denominator y2 minus y1 10 minus 4. Therefore, x minus 1 upon minus 5 is equal to y minus 10 upon 6. By cross multiplication, we get 6 into bracket x minus 1 equal to minus 5 bracket y minus 10. That is 6x minus 6 equal to minus 5y plus 50. That is 6x plus 5y minus 56 equal to 0. This is the equation of the diagonal is. Similarly, we can find the equation of the second diagonal BD by using 2.4. By using 2.4, the equation of the diagonal BD is x minus x1, y1 and x2y. The value of x1 is 6 upon 6 minus 1 is equal to y minus 10 in the denominator, 10 minus 4. By cross multiplication, we get x minus 6 divided by 5 is equal to y minus 10 divided by 6. That is 6 in bracket. X minus 6 equal to 5 bracket y minus 10. That is 6x minus 36 is equal to 5y minus 50. That is 6x minus 5y minus 36 and plus 50 plus 14 equal to 0. This is the equation of the second diagonal BD. Hence, the required joint equation of the diagonals AC and BD is, hence the required joint equation of the diagonals AC and BD is, by using the definition of the joint equation, 6x plus 5y minus 56 into 6x minus 5y plus 14 equal to 0. Solving the brackets, we get 6x into 6x, 36x squared minus 30xy plus 84x plus 30xy minus 25y square plus 70y minus 56 into 6, 336x minus plus 56 into 5, 280y minus 56 into 14 minus 784 equal to 0. Minus 30xy plus 30xy get cancelled. Therefore, 36x square minus 25y square minus 336x plus 84 minus 252x 280y plus 70y plus 350y minus 784 equal to 0. is the required joint equation of the diagonals AC and BD. अशा पद्धतीने मला AC आणि BD हे डायगोनल पॅरलॉग्रामचे होते. अपोजिट साइड्सचे इक्वेशन तुम्हाला दिलेले होते. जॉइंट इक्वेशन दिलेलं होतं. आपण ते सेपरेट लाईन्स काढल्या सुरुवातीला x = 1 and x = 6 and y = 4 and y = 10. या दोन लाईन्स पॅरलल टू दी y ऍक्सिस, पॅरलल टू दी x ऍक्सिस आणि या चार लाईन पासून पॅरलॉग्राम फॉर्म केला आणि त्याचे डायगोनल AC आणि BD आपण नोट केले. त्याला नोटेशन दिले आणि मग इक्वेशन ऑफ द डायगोनल्स AC आणि BD ती काढले सेपरेट आणि त्याचं जॉइंट इक्वेशन. नाउ सेकंड प्रॉब्लेम. Triangle OAB is formed by lines x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 and the line twice x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Find the equation of the median of the triangle drawn from the origin. Here combined equation. This equation represents two lines. It is denoted by OA and OB, and third line 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 form the triangle OAB. Then draw the median drawn from the O to find its equation of the median. तर आपल्याला मीडियनचे इक्वेशन तयार करायचं. तर त्यासाठी मला ट्रायंगल OAB दिलेलं आहे. त्याच्या दोन लाईनचे जॉइंट इक्वेशन दिले. सेपरेट लाईन दिलेलं आहे. सोल्युशन OAB O00 x1 y1 and x2 y. Let M be the midpoint of the side AB. Then its coordinates are x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y coordinate y1 plus y2 upon 2. The equation of the line AB twice x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. And the joint equation of the lines OA and OB is x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0. OA आणि OB या दोन लाईनचं कंबाईन इक्वेशन दिलं. हे कंबाईन इक्वेशन आहे. थर्ड लाईन याचा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन A x1 y1 आणि B x2 y2 घ्यायचा. Let M be the midpoint of the side AB. हा M point काढणार by using 2 point form. The equation of the are the points of intersection. Points of intersection between the given lines x square minus 4xy plus y square equal to 0 and the line twice x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, that is 3y equal to 1 minus twice x, that is y equal to 1 minus twice x upon 3. Equation number 2. Solving point of intersections A and B. Putting the values of 2 in equation 1, we get x square minus 4x. The value of y is 1 minus 5x divided by 3 plus 1 minus 5x upon 3 bracket square is equal to 0. That is x square minus 4x into bracket 1 minus 5x upon 3 plus 1 minus 5x bracket square divided by 9 is equal to 0. Multiplying on both sides by 9, we get 9x square. मतलब 3 से 3 अलग 12x into bracket 1 minus 5x plus 1 minus 5x bracket square is equal to 0. That is 9x square minus 12x plus 24x plus 24x square plus 1 minus 4x plus 4x square equal to 0. That is 9x square plus 24x square plus 4x square, that is 37x square minus 16x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x square minus 16 upon 37 into x plus 1 upon 37 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Let x1 and x2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Then, by using the formation of the quadratic equations having roots x1 and x2, that is the value of x1 plus x2 is equal. This is the sum of the roots, that is 16 upon 37, and this is the product of the roots, that is x1 x2. या वर्ग समीकरणाचे रूट्स जर आपण x1 x2 मानले, x1 roots means finding the values of x, तर ही जी किंमत असते ही रूट्सची बेरीज असते. x1 plus x2 equal to 16 upon 37. Therefore x1 plus x2 divided by 2 equal to 8 upon 37. याला आपण 3 नंबर घेऊ. x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now, let M be the midpoint of the side AB. AB या साइडचा midpoint आपण M घेतला. Therefore, by using the midpoint formula, the coordinates of the midpoints are x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. Equation number 4. But the values of x1 plus x2 upon 2 is 8 by 37. Therefore, the x coordinate of the midpoint M is 8 upon 37 and its y coordinate y1 plus y2 divided by 2. but the midpoint M lies on the line twice x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. हा M पॉइंट या लाईनवर म्हणजे या M पॉइंट हे लाईनचे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होते. हा M पॉइंट जर आपण याच्यामध्ये ठेवून टाकू 2 into ही x ची व्हॅल्यू 8/37 plus 3 the value of y is y1 plus y2/2 minus 1 equal to 0. That is 16/37 plus 3 into bracket y1 plus y2/2 is equal to 1. That is 3 into bracket y1 plus y2/2 is equal to 1 minus 16/37. That is 3 into bracket y1 plus y2/2 equal to LCM is 37. Here 37 minus 16. That is equal to 21/37. Therefore, y1 plus y2/2 is equal to 21/37 into 1/3. That is equal to 7/37. Therefore, y1 plus y2/2 equal to 7/37. Putting the values of 5 in equation 4, we get the coordinates of the midpoint M are 8/37 and 7/37. By using the 2-point form, the equation of the median drawn from O, that is OM, is y minus x minus x1 upon x1 minus x2 is equal to y minus y1 upon y1 minus y. X minus 0 upon 0 minus x1 y1, x1 and x2 y2. 8/37 is equal to y minus y1 0 upon 0 minus 7/37. That is x upon minus 8/37 is equal to y upon minus 7/37. By cross multiplication, minus 7x upon 37 is equal to minus 8y upon 37. 37 get cancel, minus minus plus, that is 7x equal to 8y. 7x minus 8y equal to 0, which is the required equation of the median OA. अशा आपण एक टिपिकल एक्झाम्पल आपण या पिरियडला पाहिलेले होते. पहिले एक्झाम्पल, दुसरा आणि तिसरं दोन्ही एक्झाम्पल टिपिकल होते. तर ह्या एक्झरसाइज मधले आपण 4.3 सर्व एक्झाम्पल आपण कम्प्लीट केलेले. आता मिसलेनियस एक्झरसाइज मध्ये काही एक्झाम्पल राहिले असतील, काही एक्झाम्पल तुम्हाला होमवर्क म्हणून दिले. तर नेक्स्ट पिरियडला आपण त्या मिसलेनियस एक्झरसाइज मध्ये काही टिपिकल प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ आणि हा टॉपिक आपला कम्प्लीट होतो.